After mass shooting at the Brown University on 13th of December 2025, the investigators turned towards the Connecticut Forensic Science Laboratory for rapid and high-level forensic support. One of the most important contribution of the Connecticut Forensic Science Laboratory was in the ballistic examination. Fired bullets and cartridge cases recovered from the scene were analyzed and were entered into NIBIN, National Integrated Ballistic Information Network. This allowed the examiners to compare the microscopic findings such as the firing pin impressions or the breech face marks with the crime evidence available nationwide. Through this process, the forensic scientists were able to confirm that the same firearm was used at the Brown University shooting. Connecticut Forensic Science Laboratory also conducted DNA profiling and latent fingerprint analysis on the weapon and the other physical evidences found from the scene of crime. These examinations helped in associating the specific firearm with the suspect, providing a court-admissible scientific backing to the investigative claims. Another key component was the gunshot residue analysis, which actually analyzes the microscopic particles such as lead, antimony, and barium. GSR examination helped in establishing that the suspect has recently fired and also establishing the proximity of the individuals to the firing discharge. This case ultimately broadcast that how well-resourced forensic laboratories can prevent the investigative delays and can strengthen the prosecution case.